Yes, I can hear. Okay, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Cem. I'm connecting to you from Istanbul, Turkey. Today, I'll be presenting my company and our business. And the main topic of this stream is going to be the glass preferences of all top household appliances industry with new technologies, trends, and how did the coronavirus affected to this industry. So I'm trying to share my screen. Rufat, can you please let me? Thank you. Okay, a little bit about Yorglass. So, Yorglass is a company which is in flat business since 1974, operating in Turkey with these different business units located in different cities of Turkey. So, first of all, before starting the presentation, you can follow all our latest updates and developments from the Yorglass social media accounts. This is in all Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter with @Yorglass. You can reach us. Please follow us. So I'll be starting with our corporate presentation. So a little bit group overview on business units. We have a different 4 types of business units operating. So our trading business unit, which we trade the float flat glass all over Turkey. We have satinated business unit, which we satinate the design, offer unique design with spectacular lines, with making matte finishes over the glass. In our appliance business unit, we process glass for home appliance industry, and in food display, we process glass for specialized in food glass processing for commercial refrigerator glasses, doors, and complete insulated, durable, triple, double insulated glass units. So basically our export expansion by country. So mostly we are in 6 continents, and we do make export to 57 countries all over the world. So more or less with numbers, we have 1,300 employees. We have different type of customer segmentation in trading. We have lots of variety of customers in satinated business unit in the export market as well. In our appliance, which is more dedicated, and we reach to the 70% of the appliance manufacturers all over the world. In food and display, mostly we are covering with the 55 customer complete worldwide commercial refrigerator manufacturers. So as you may see, 50% of our, more or less 50% of our export is going to export market, sorry, turnover. So a little bit about the home appliance business unit of Yorglass. Today, we are operating in 3 different cities with 4 facilities. In Bolu, which we process glass for cooking appliances. In Eskişehir, which we process glass for refrigerator shelves. And in Çerkezköy, we do produce both for glass for cooking appliances and refrigeration shelf glass, which makes Yorglass different from their in the market. We process glass for dedicated production lines, one and only dedicated for the specific product. And in the market, what I mean, as you know, in the glass industry, most of the glass companies process the same sort of glasses or thicknesses or a variety of coated glasses for different industries like architecture, facade, and I mean the furniture business or other sort of glasses in the same production lines. Which we do is processing glasses in separate production lines. So what type of products we are today producing is today we are making glass for oven doors, front doors and lids, control panel glasses, hot tops, and inner doors of the ovens. So how we process it as some few pictures, we make it with online monitoring, capability online printing, closed area for printing chambers, very clean built-in epoxy coated floors all over the factory. Tempering furnaces designed for especially for control panel productions and other sort of products. So what is the new trends? As you see, these are two pictures of oven, built-in oven, which all you may have in your houses. So mostly the trend I can openly say to you in the last years was instead of using the stainless steel control panels, using more glass on the ovens, as making bigger ovens in the homes and the control panel with the even with the glass versions. So also on the cooktops. In the past, mostly with metal sheets or stainless steel sheets, because of easy cleanability and a good appearance. Mostly today, more glass are using cooktops in the coming trends. So with the new trends also, the reflective glasses, as you know, people are using these on home appliance, electrical home appliances, not only a cooker, but also feels that it's a part of a home. So it treats it as a furniture. So the home appliance manufacturers also trying to differentiate the product from variety of coated glasses. So in the last year trends, using reflective glasses types, which are also being used in facade businesses, some sort of applications are being made here with variety of color options. So the home appliance manufacturers are positioning these products in high-end segments. So the other type of pattern glass types is the new trend. A variety of matte glasses are being used. As you may see, we are offering three sort of matte glass varieties in pattern glass types, which have different light reflection values, which is capable thanks to the technology of Yorglass, which has been processing this sort of raw material since 30 years. So we are offering these variety of products to the usage of home appliance industry. So other type of pattern glasses, that's also new trends that are being used in the the capability of being used in the freestanding oven upper lids, different patterns like lines or brick pattern. As you see, square dots or the zebra design pattern glasses are being preferred by the home appliance manufacturers. As you may see here, with the tinted glasses, we also combined it with the matte version. This you may see a gray glass, small gray glass with a matte version. This is also a dark gray glass, which is a with a matte version also. This is a reflective glass which has been matte acid processed. This is gray glass. And this is the green glass, which is a matte finish over it. So how you can imagine those on an application, as you can see here, we put a clear bright picture of satin finish on rose glass, satin finish on blue glass, and satin finish on gray glass. Basically, why this matte glass has been preferred by the home appliance manufacturers is that, first of all, the surface is really has a satin finish, has a silky finish, and it's anti-fingerprint. You can, of course, when you touch it, you can feel the surface is textured. As the surface is textured, you cannot see the print of the finger in it. So it's anti-fingerprint, we can call it. And it's easy to clean. So the latest trend which the market is asking, and it's becoming more demanded by the market, is that the digital print applications which combine the other products of the home appliance with the ovens and the other products of the kitchen walls or cupboard walls, as the digital printing has a possibility to apply the specific and unique design also to the front door of the oven, control panel of the oven, and you can combine it with a design pattern sample, as you can see here, with the project of the architecture, interior architecture, so you can make some specific printings due to your request. So as you may see here, the design pattern sample has been combined with the front door of the oven, the marble texture. It can make with the high resolution DPIs, so it can, the possibilities is limitless here. So you can combine it with the splashback of the wall or a kind of a ceramic pattern. You can combine with the oval door and the control panel together. So as you can see, another sample of some marble pattern. So these type of digital printing technology can enable to print various pattern even if they are more complex. So mainly when you look at home appliance, you may see simpler colors as black or white, gray, or inox coated appliances. But with this technology, the variety is limitless. So even though in the near future, we may talk about printing your family's picture in front of the oven or a fridge door instead of putting small magnets. So how a real application samples, which Yorglass is already studying. So we bring you here some pictures. This is a glass which is ready to ship to a customer. As you can see, the digital printing in hot dog applications. So due to regarding to the view or perspective, you can see 3D images or stainless steel finish images, which is not very complicated to print before this technology, and now it's very simple to print. So what we do today also dual printed glasses, basic in the glass processing technology, as you may know, both side printing is not something easy, but Yorglass has solutions also for this. Is front side is also, we made it both with front side etching or pattern or back side enamel printing. Both options are possible. So the both side glass, we make it possible to print or to process with etching. Basically, this gives a variety of options for the designers, for the material designers, to make the glass look in 3D forms. So when you look with the different perspectives here, you can see the depth with the 3D effect. So basically what the coronavirus has been bringing to the market is that antibacterial and antiviral coatings, which is being studied in the previous years and make this coronavirus pandemic, make these applications more commercialized in the coming years and now. So basically with this nano-coating technology, easy to clean glass versions also are coming with the antibacterial and antiviral coating. So compared to other coatings which have been done previously, these are everlasting coatings and kill 99% of the bacteria, are also the human coronavirus. And it's been applied before the tampering. Coating is done by the nano-coating glass and then that coated glass is to cure. So these sort of coatings and the applications are according to ISO norms completely. So What is the glass coating technology here? It can be applied to glass oven doors, fridge shelves, and microwaves to cooktops. So it's a unique feature and benefit to enhance the customer value, deliver a competitive advantage to the users here. So which is the consumer value? It brings them easy, clean technology, enjoy more hassle with free cleaning. Basically, the coated surfaces are hydrophilic. It's becoming very reactive, with the resulting in reduced accumulation of surface contamination. So there is less chemical cleaners are required to maintain a clean and polished surface. Also, with this coating, there is 24 hours, 7 days to complete antimicrobial protection. It's always on, day, night. There is no need of any light to make it activated. It protects against build-up or spread of harmful bacteria, which can be found in the raw meat or other food spills and stains. So with this coating, you enjoy the peace of mind having a healthier and hygienic tools which is touching to your food. So it's also durable, but makes it sustainable, durable, and desired to the lifetime of the product. It's scratch resistance. It stays permanently in the built-in to the glass surface. So also, even if it's used in the cooktops or in the ovens, it's resistant to extreme temperatures, heat or cold. So also, these are antimicrobial protection. It's resistant to bacteria. A durable protection is hydrophilic coating, easy to clean, and the tests have been made regarding to the ISO standards. So how does the easy clean coating functionally work? Once it's coated, the oven glass is transferred into a hydrophilic coated surface. The lower contact angle means the surface of the cleaning can be much more efficient and hassle-free. As you see, the water-led blocks with a specific angle. With the specific measurement tool, you can measure the angle of the block, so which make it with coating also. So it's easy clean. How it works, basically, it's as I explained it here. So also how the coating baked in the oven glass door. Glass solution is supplied in a liquid form and applied to glass surface with a standard roller or airless spray system. So the coating can be sintered with the glass surface temperature up to 700 degrees, depending on the manufacturing process. Once it's completed, it's being locked and activated for the lifetime of the screen. So unlike the traditional photocatalytic coating, it remains forever. It's simple and to integrate into the existing manufacturing network. So I'm thanking you. It's a 20-minute presentation. So I gave you information about the new trends in home appliances. What are the new trends coming with the using of more glass? And apart from this, I gave you new how did the coronavirus bring this sort of acceleration of the coating technology to the glass industry, and which are going to be used in the upcoming months or years in the end consumers. So I thank to you personally, and I would like to say you bye-bye, and wish you all my warm welcomes from Istanbul, Turkey.